Hello everyone, my name is Bhaskar. I'm an intern at Zero Labs, and today we're going to talk about privacy risk and external storage devices. We use these devices like the USB every day in our lives. So let's get started. Here's a USB drive, and I have stored two files in this drive, bank details and email accounts.txt. Now I'm going to ask the host operating system, Windows in this case, to go ahead and index both the properties and the file contents of the two files on my USB drive. Once that is done, let's go ahead and eject the USB drive, which I'm doing right now. Now we'll take a look at the type of content Windows has captured from my files. We're going to open up the EDB file, and in this we're going to look at a very specific table called the property store, which is actually a very massive table. Looks like Windows has indexed my file and my content in plain text, and we're going to go ahead and expand this column a little bit so that we can see the full content in plain text that has been indexed from my USB drive, which I have already ejected. Let's compare the data in this index, which is clearly in plain text, with the two original files that I had in my USB drive, which I have already ejected. So these are the files which I also have, and here are the details. On the left hand side is my original file, and on the right hand side is the index. Now this clearly is a very big problem because first of all, the index is in clear text and it's not encrypted. Now we use our USB files every day. Sometimes we plug it to our friend's machine, sometimes we plug it to a shared office machine, sometimes we may even plug it to a shared public machine like in a public library. And each time you do that, you are leaving behind a very strong footprint of the contents of your USB drive in plain text or in clear data that is clearly very vulnerable. Now, these are some of the problems that Zero Labs is trying to solve with privacy preserving technology. Thanks for watching and feel free to reach out.